Today's video we're going to work on partial products. I'm going to start out with doing a problem alone, and then I'll let you do one with me, and then the third one I'll have you try a few, and then I'll add the answers after you've practiced them. Partial products. Let's start out with the first problem. Let's go 54 times 20. And first I like to draw my lines in so I can split up my tens, hundreds, and ones, and then if I need to go to the thousands I can go over here. My first part is to look, and I start out with the 2 that is in the tens place times the 5 that's in the tens place, so 20 times 50. And I know that 10 times 10 is 100, so and then 5 times 2 is 10, so the 10 goes in the hundreds place, so that's 10 hundreds. And then I have my 2 zeros to help hold that place, so 20 times 50 is 1,000. Then I take 20 times 4, which is 80, so my 8 in the tens place and 0, and then I add the sum of those two products, 0, 8, 0, 1. So that's the first problem that we will do. Let's try this one. Maybe not that one. Let's try this next one. Let's do 37 times 40. Let's do 37 times 40. At this point in the video, if you want to pause it and try this first, and then I'll show you how it's done afterwards. Otherwise, we can do another one together. Again, take my lines and separate tens, hundreds, and ones. I start out with 4 tens times 3 tens, or 40 times 30, which would be 4 times 3 is 12, so that's 10 times 10 is 100, so the 12 goes in the hundreds place, and I have my 2 zeros to hold that place. And then my second part is 40 times 7. 7 times 4 is 28, and the 0 is 28 tens. Okay. So that 8 is in the tens place, and the 0 to help hold it there, 280. I add those two products together, and I get 0, 8, 4, 1, 1,480. Now here are 4 more problems to try. One pointer with this one in the bottom corner. This is a little bit different. You'd have to do a little bit more work if you went this way, so what I would recommend doing is just flip-flopping them, knowing a multiplication. If I wrote 56 times 20, I'd still get the same answer. So now in the video, I'd like you to pause it and work through these 4 problems. Work through these 4 problems, and then hit play, and I'll write down the answers for each one. Alright, now after you've had an opportunity to work through those problems, I'm going to write down the answers for each one. 78 times 40. The answer is 3,120. 45 times 30. The answer is 1,350. The answer for 90 times 46 is 4,146. And the answer for 4,140 and the answer for 56 times 20 is 1,120. Now, hopefully that was helpful, and that finishes our video up for partial products.